Hello guys, welcome to my channel Better Talent. Today we're gonna learn about how to create the .NET Core Web API and how to test them. So just to start with that, I'm going to start with Visual Studio 2019. So just click on this, then we're gonna click on create a new project, and then we're gonna select this option ASP.NET Core Web Application. Here we have option of this also, like web API. So this is what we are looking for. So you just click on this, click on next, and I'm gonna name the project name web API .NET Core. So now click on the create button. So after that, on this screen you will have bunch of options. So here you can select web application, or if you want to go with the MVC application, and if you want a like Angular application with .NET Core as a backend. So all those kind of options are available over here. So but we are going for web API, so we'll just select the web API, this API, and then click on the create. So now it's doing processing, and here you go. So this is the default structure provided by the .NET Core, and here you can see the controllers. In controllers, if you click value controllers, you will see this code will be available by default in your class file. So I will start debugging this so that we can test now. So it's opening the web API URL in the browser, and now I'm gonna put some debug pointer. So let's start with the testing of first method, which we have over here, HTTP get method. So in this method, so now your web API is running on this port, and this is the URL for that, the route. So if you click on this, you're gonna get a debugger over here, and if you remove the debugger, continue, then it's gonna return this value. So just to give you more understanding on how the route has been defined, so here API, and then within this bracket we have controller. So what is the name of controller is going to be at the dynamically will be replaced in the route. So the final URL for this controller we gonna get is API/values. So all the methods of this controller you can access by prefixing them with the API/values. So after that, we're gonna have a test of second method. So this method is supposed to be called with API/values, then we are passing AID 5 also. So here I will put / and then 5, and then we're gonna get a debugger. Point is enabled over here, and then it's going to return a value. So it's working perfectly fine. So like that you can test all the methods in this controller class. So apart from these old methods, I would like to show you two more new custom things. So to do that, I'll stop the API first, and then I'm gonna add a custom post method. And because sometime you might have two post methods, and in that kind of scenario you want to call the methods API method by their name. So to do that, what you need to do, you have to put this annotation route action on top of your method, and that's all. So now, and you can change the name of the method also. So let's say I'm going to change it to post value, and then let's say I will print console.writeLn. I want to print this value. Okay, so this is one method, and along with that, let's add one more method which you might come across a scenario where you want to upload a file or any document, any video, anything you want to upload through your web API, then this method is going to work for you. So we can call it upload file, and then the type should be different, so I'm gonna copy it from my another project. So where it is, I'm just looking for that, give me a second. Yeah, so you can use iForm file interface. Now it's not compiling, so we can go, we have to import this, and this is the file. Okay, yeah, that's all. And now we're going to test both these methods through Postman. So first, to test this, we have to start our API again, and now let's go to the Postman. So we have to copy this URL first. So this is the post value method name is correct, and we are passing a value equal to 5, and which is in query parameter. So if you click send, oh, not luckily, we definitely were supposed to get this value. So you can see we are getting the value 5 over here. So that's done. Now let's move to the testing of upload file method. So in the upload file method, what we have to do, we have to go to the body, and over here we can say key equal to file, and then we have to select the type also. Type should be file. Now you can browse any file which is available on your computer. So let's say I'm gonna select this invoice template, and when you're gonna click send, just give me a second, something is going wrong. Okay, so we have to change the method name also over here. Should be upload file. Now let's give it another try. Yes, finally we got the file over here, and you can see this invoice template is available in this file object. Yeah, so for today this is all about, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel Better Talent. Thank you for your time.